Hello. So we are back Saturday morning, and I came special for this. You remember the job from yesterday? If you don't remember, you'll find a link on the description, yeah? You know what? Sometimes the people from the chat, they are right, and I know they are right, and I'm on the wrong side. But, you use what you have. Actually, the ideal solution will be a transistor, yeah? And the people said on the comment, okay? But the chance to find here a transistor, a PNP transistor, is lower compared with a resistor. Yeah, that's why I go on that side. But you see, people saying, a PNP transistor will be perfect. And yeah, you're right. This is not going, or let's say, is going to work till the moment the power button it will change the internal resistance, and on that point it will stop working. Okay, so let's use a PNP transistor. I brought from home my transistor collection, so we can use one of these to make this 100% working. Okay, so let's open again. You remember the video from yesterday? Let's do it properly, okay? Someone took my electric screwdriver. Yeah, give me 1 second. Okay, let's do it in a proper way. You know, I got it with a dodgy job, but even if you're doing a dodgy job, it has to be, has to be a good one. So you can give warranty and you can be sure it's working over your warranty. Now you remember yesterday, so the laptop is working, the power button is working, but I cannot press, keep the power button long press and shut it off. The question is, why? You know why? Because there are some chip, they working with, electric levels, can be 1 or 0, or you can have 1, 0, and unknown state, and that's how this is doing. So probably unknown state came, somewhere in the middle between 0 and 3.3. Okay, so that's the explanation. So yeah, the chip can read a state from unknown to 0, but looks like he will not act from I don't know. It's weird, but it doesn't work like how it should work. But if I remember, the voltage is like, what voltage was there? Like 2 point something? And that can be an unknown state. Who played before with CDB chips, they know about this. Okay. Let's use a transistor. Let's use a PNP transistor. I checked online, this one, 2N2907, it's a PNP one. So we can use this one. 2N, no, sorry. This is 2222. It's not this one. $2907. Yeah, that's the one. It's a PMP one. Bipolar. Okay. So let's do it. Let's do it. Let me see if here we have ground. Yeah, this is ground. Okay. That's why I left the laptop after I finished, and I said, you know what? This, soon as the internal resistance of the power button, it will change. You know, it's a ticking bomb. It's a ticking bomb. Okay, let's take this out. The bridge, the resistors. I should use the hot air. Yeah, too much air. Come on. Good. Let's but anyway, this is ground, yeah, and this is the output. Let's use some flux. Okay, and now our transistor. Yeah. Let's do it nicely. Okay. Yeah, morning. Yeah. Just, you know, I have to do this laptop properly. Yeah, I got comments. You know, people saying, you know, this is a dodgy thing. You know, you can't do something like that. Yeah, I know, I know, I know. Uh, Collector there. Yeah, it's okay. Don't worry. Okay, so we should do it like that. So this is the collector, and it must be to ground. We have the base. Let's cut the base down. We just need to see how the pins are coming, and then we can do a proper soldering job. Okay, so the base is coming here, and that will be the last pin. Fantastic. Let's do it. Good. And this is the emitter, has to be there. Perfect. Let's test it first, and then we can clean it, yeah? Charger. We have the orange light, power button, and it's on. Okay, you can see it. Now the question is, if it's... I haven't put the memory. If it's going off when I keep press the power button, let's try. It doesn't. Wow. Wow. There must be something else, and I think I know what. You see, it has a switch here. If you take the back cover out, some things happen. Here's a back cover detector. I think that's the reason. But we will see. We can try. Plug in the charger. Power on. It's coming on. You know what I will do? No, I will not. Let me unplug the charger. I will keep press this switch, I will keep press this switch, and we will check if it's shutting down by the power button, yeah? So it's on. Now we'll keep press the power button, and it's going off. Okay? You see, this is a tricky one. Has a switch here for the back cover. Now let's do it properly. Or you want to check? Okay, let's check. So what is happening here? When you push the power button, when you don't push the power button, you should have 3.3, yeah? Let's check. Here. When you push the power button, you should have probably 0.6. Pushing the power button, 0.6. Okay? That's the catch. So a transistor is perfect. Where is my schematic? So what we did, very simple. You have the power button, okay, to ground. From here to the base of a PNP transistor. Sorry, the arrow is on this side. And from here, resistor to 3.3. Yeah, and straight to our CO chip. And this to ground, obviously. Oh, you can't see, sorry. Switch, transistor, PNP, resistor. This resistor is still 100 kilo ohms, if I remember, or 200. But it's fine, has no problem. Okay. Let's do it properly. Let's clean a little bit, and let's use some hot glue to straight our thingy. And that's how you do it. But again, if I will be to search here for a PNP transistor, it will be a nightmare, you know, compared with a resistor. The battery is dead anyway. It's showing charging, but it's not actually charging. Warning. Hot glue. So now, even if you replace the keyboard with a brand new keyboard, it will work great with a transistor. So I think this should be like a default from a manufacturer. He can build this thingy like as default, like default, yeah. That you use a transistor. So there you go. If you have same problem, just do it on the same way. Let's test one more time and we can close the laptop, right? Pushing the power button and you have the blue light and it's coming on and it's working fine. Okay? That's how you do it properly, yeah? You know what? I told you so many times, try, and believe me, it's hard. It's hard because everyone is living on his own bubble. And it's like, you know, what is 40? Let's buy another keyboard. But, you know, they're different country. They are poor country. I just try to give you a solution for a phone like this. Usually I get same money, whatever I fix this or not. You understand? So I get same money. So I'm not really in doing these kind of things. But it's more easy to give this to my colleague and I'll tell him, you know what, order the keyboard and replace the keyboard. So if I will need to replace the keyboard, I'll not replace it myself. I'll give to someone from there. Okay? But it's just for, you know, it's about how we can do it without having the keyboard. Okay? Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. And see you on the next one. I think I will spend a little. We have one more phone here. I think I will do another video after this, yeah? If not, just have a great weekend. Bye.